In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create client dashboards in Trello. If you're managing multiple clients or projects, having an organized system to keep everything in one place is essential. Trello is a fantastic tool that allows you to create visually appealing, highly functional dashboards to streamline your workflow. Whether you're tracking tasks, storing files, or managing deadlines, this tutorial will guide you step by step to set up a client dashboard that is both efficient and easy to use. Let's get started. First, open Trello in your browser. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to create a new board. This board will serve as the foundation for your client dashboard. Make sure to give your board a clear and straightforward name. Something like Client Dashboard, Template, or Client Portal works well. Next, select a background that is easy on the eyes. This will make your board visually pleasant and help you stay focused. Once you're happy with your choices, click the Create Board button. Think of this board as your master template, which you'll be able to duplicate later for other clients or projects. Now, let's start structuring your board. Begin by creating core lists, which will act as categories to organize your information. Add the following list titles: Client Overview, Projects, Tasks, Timeline, Files and Assets, Meetings and Notes, and Completed Work. These lists will give your dashboard a clear structure and make it easy to navigate. Let's start populating the Client Overview list with key cards. Create cards with titles like Client Profile, Business Goals, Contact Information, Project Scope, and Important Links. Once you've added these cards, open each one and fill in the description with all the essential details. For instance, in the Client Profile card, you can include the client's name, company details, and any pertinent background information. Add checklists to these cards for specific items like onboarding tasks or approval processes. You can also attach important documents or frequently used links directly to the cards, making them easily accessible. Next, move on to the projects or tasks list here. Create one card for each task, deliverable, or milestone that needs to be tracked. Open each card and write a clear, concise description of the task. Break down the work into smaller checklist items to make progress tracking easier. Be sure to set due dates for each card to keep everything on schedule. If a task requires specific files or links, attach them directly to the corresponding card. To ensure accountability, assign team members to each card so everyone knows what they're responsible for. To improve your workflow further, add the Calendar Power-Up from Trello's Power-Ups menu. This will allow you to visualize your project timeline more effectively, assign due dates to milestone cards, and they'll automatically appear on your calendar. Labels are another great way to organize tasks. Use them to indicate stages like planning, in progress, review, or final delivery. If your board starts to feel cluttered, you can filter by labels to focus on specific tasks or stages. Now, let's work on the Files and Assets list. Create a single card within this list called Files and Assets. This will serve as a central hub for all your important documents. Upload items such as branding kits, images, PDFs, or any other materials your client might need. If you have a large number of files, use checklists to group them logically. For instance, you can create checklist sections for design files, contracts, or presentations. Additionally, you can attach cloud links for external files, ensuring your client has easy access to them. Always keep the most current versions of files at the top of the card to avoid confusion. In the Meetings and Notes list, add communication-related cards like Kick-Off Meeting Notes, Weekly Update Notes, and Client Feedback. These cards will help you track all your conversations and ensure important information isn't lost. Use the Comments section within each card to document date-stamped updates. You can also attach meeting briefs, recordings, or other relevant materials directly to these cards, so everything stays organized. As you complete tasks, simply drag the corresponding cards into the completed work list. This will help you maintain a clear record of everything that's been finished, offering both you and your client a sense of progress and accomplishment. And that's it. You now have a fully functional client dashboard in Trello, ready to keep your projects organized and on track. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.